Good morning, students. So beta, we were doing the chapter preposition and their correct uses. In that particular chapter we have completed till exercise number H, and now we have to begin with our new subheading, that is many other uses of preposition. Many other uses of preposition. Okay, this is our new subheading. Okay, so in this beta we are going to deal with some other preposition, that is what? For. First one is for. We are going to talk about for. When do we use for preposition? So for can be used to show purpose, that he went for a walk, so his purpose is walking. So for is used for showing a purpose. For showing purpose. Another point, when for is used to show a period of time, he waited for 2 hours, he waited for 5 hours. Okay, show time. Okay, to show time or period of time. For with expression like for the last time, for good, for the time being. Okay, for the expression. So for three things for can be used: for showing a purpose, for showing a period of time, for showing the expression. Okay, expression is shown here for the last time, for the time being, for good. Okay, these are the expressions that we use in a sentence. So for this, for can be used. Now let's move to about. For what about can be used? About can be used to suggest the subject of a conversation. Okay, when you are suggesting about is used for suggesting the subject of conversation. Subject of conversation. Example: a book, a person, or any topic. He told us about his family background. So you are suggesting a conversation. What he is doing? He is telling us about his family background. So you are suggesting the what? Subject of conversation. For what the conversation is going to happen or is happening. To indicate nearness of some kind. To indicate nearness of some kind. For example, the train is about to leave. Okay, so you are telling us about the nearness of something, that the departure of the train is close, the train is about to leave. That means the departure of the train is very soon, pretty soon, and it's about to happen at any moment. Now another preposition, third one, is at. At can be used in certain expression like at a school, at last, at a loss of word, and at all cost. So for what at is used in certain expression. For some specific expressions we use at school, at all cost, at a loss of words, at last. Okay, some of these expressions in these, to express these expressions, at is used. By can be used to suggest the person or thing that did something. Okay, by is used to define or to suggest the person or thing that did something, did some action. For example, I saw a beautiful painting by Jatin Das. So Jatin Das has done some work which is indicated by. We can indicate it with by. So by is used to suggest something that is done by a person or thing. We also use expressions like by mistake, by chance, one by one, step by step, day by day. Okay, we also use these expressions. We also use by for these expressions. Okay, day by day, one by one, step by step. So these expressions are also used. I met her by chance. Let us do the work step by step. Okay, so for this also by is used. I met her by chance. Another sentence, let us do the work step by step. Now let's move on to the fifth preposition, that is from. From can be used to suggest the source of something. Okay, when you are suggesting some source. From is used to suggest some source of something. Okay, suggest some source of something. For is used. For example, paper is made from trees. So you are suggesting something, that how this thing is made. To suggest the source of something, you are suggesting the source of how the paper is made. So the source is trees. With the help of trees, paper is made. It is also used with expression. So from is also used for the expression of like from morning till night, from day to day, from bad to worse. Okay, to express these expressions also from is used. Mother work from morning till night. To express some sort of expressions, from is also used. Now let's move on to another, that is in. In is used to suggest the interior of something. When you are talking about something that is inside, okay, interior, then we are using in. For example, the team was in the ground. Father is in jovial mood today. So we are talking about the interior of something. Now in is also used with expressions like, some expressions are also there for which in is used. In the meantime, in fact, in general, in love with, and in the long run. These are some expressions, okay. These are some expressions for which in is used. In can be used. Now of is used to suggest belonging. When you are talking about the belongingness of something, that who does this particular thing belong to, then of is used. The handle of the door is broken. So what is broken? Handle. And it belongs to what? It belongs to the door. Now It may also indicate something or person. Okay, belongingness of something, or it may also indicate some person or thing. That sometimes she talks of you. So what is happening? She is talking about you. That means that you are talking about some a person. Okay, so it is said here that what of is also used when you are indicating some person or thing. Under is used with expression like under treatment, under repair, under the impression, under control. Okay, so under is used for some particular expression that has been mentioned in your books. So the class is under control. On can be used to suggest the idea of resting on something or writing about a topic. So when you are talking about a particular topic, then on is used. I wrote the article on the value of books. Okay, you are writing about something. What are you writing? You are writing about the value of books. Now let's move on to the last preposition, with. With can be used with the names of things we use to do some work. Okay, you have to in this, with is used for the name of thing that you use to suggest association or company. Now both the example, I clean the table with the duster. So you are giving the name of the thing with which you are doing some work. So you are cleaning the table with the duster. To suggest association and company, so for that he worked with HCL for 2 years. So you are suggesting what? A company or association. So company is he worked for HCL for 2 years. Now let's begin with the exercise number I. Exercise number I. What does this statement is saying? Fill in the blanks with appropriate preposition. You can use some preposition more than once. Okay, that means some of the preposition in this exercise are being repeated. So, people who are dash favor dash zoos argue that they play an essential role dash conserving rare animals species. Okay, let's begin with the answer. Answer number 1. So people who are dash favor, who are in favor dash zoo of zoos. People who are in favor of zoos argue that they play an essential role conserving rare animals. In conserving rare animals. Species. Conservationists estimate that at least 1,000 species dash animals, that at least 1,000 species of animals have been threatened dash the last 20 years. Have been threatened during the last 20 years. Zoos have developed programs designed dash preserving endangered species existing dash in the world. So, designed for preserving endangered species existing in the world. Please take down the screenshot. The answer is in. The board is shining, so the answer is in. And the fifth part also, wait a second, fifth part is this involves looking after them and breeding them dash captivity before introducing them dash their natural habitat dash. Okay, this one is long. Okay, just take the screenshot of this, and after that we would be continuing with this same exercise. Please take down the screenshot. Please take down the screenshot, students. Okay, I am rubbing it off then. Okay, so let's continue with the fifth one. What is the sentence? This involves looking after them and breeding them in captivity before introducing them into their natural habitat dash wild animals, among wild animals dash lush green surrounding, in lush green surrounding. Zoos do cooperate with each other. Zoos do cooperate with each other dash the success dash their program, for the success of their programs. Okay, please take down the screenshot. Please take down the screenshot. With this we have completed the exercise number I. I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay, I'm hoping that you have taken down the screenshot, because I'm now rubbing this off. So let's move on to another subheading, that is omission of preposition. Another subheading is omissions. Omission or omissions? Omission of preposition. Omission means removal of, when you are omitting something, taking out something. Then, okay, prepositions are occasionally omitted, means left out, taken out, when certain expressions are used. What are these expressions? For example, she takes a walk every morning. The room faces west, when it is not required between a transitive and its object. So preposition is omitted with the expression when it is not required between a transitive verb and its object. She obeys her mother. He has finished his food. When two or more words requires the same preposition, only one is used. She obeys her mother. He has finished his food. Another sentence. He is sure and clear about the fact presented in quotes. Okay. So expressions, some expressions के साथ preposition नहीं यूज होता जब transitive verb और object के बीच में required नहीं होता है. Two or more words when require the same preposition, only one preposition is used. He is sure and clear about the fact presented in the quote. And the last one, when different words select different preposition, no omission is possible. When different words select different preposition. For example, he packed for the trip and was ready with his bag in the morning. So this is two different preposition that has been chosen by the words. So here no omission, no removal, no omitting of the preposition can be done. Am I clear? Okay, let's move on to the exercise J. add preposition wherever required. Okay, so we have studied this omission of preposition subheading. Now let's move on to the exercise number J, where you have to add some preposition where it is required in a sentence. Okay, so exercise number J, first part. They have been waiting since morning. Okay, they have been waiting for morning. So you would write they have been waiting since morning. Another sentence. She gave me a lovely dress, a gift. So she gave me a lovely dress as a gift. Okay, not a gift, as a gift. The teacher gave the report card Anita. The teacher gave the report card to Anita. Fourth one. She continued her work being tired. She continued with her work being tired. And the last sentence of this particular exercise is, are you going back now? Okay. So, are you going back now? Here no preposition can be used. Please take down the screenshot. All of you, please take down the screenshot. Okay. Please take down the screenshot. Okay, I'm rubbing this off. So beta, we have completed this chapter and now we are going to continue with some other chapter in the upcoming video. Your homework for today is do exercise K. Okay, you have to do the exercise number K. Okay? Okay beta, bye.